Hey guys, I've got about 10 minutes before my kids wake up, so I'm gonna patch a hole in one of my favorite shirts. I took it out of the wash and so then it has this on the back. It looks like at some point I'll probably get a hole on this side too. So anyway, to do that, I'm gonna use white thread just so that you can see a little bit better. It's gonna be about double the size of what the hole is. I normally would use black, but I would just want to show you what it looks like. So I've got the needle threaded onto the thread, and then I'm going to create a little knot here. And I'm going to do a ladder stitch, which will hide all the stitches. It's pretty easy. I'm not perfect at it. I've seen a lot of people do it much better, but it gets the job done. So you want to go through the hole and push the needle through. I want the needle pretty close to the edge of where the hole is. And then all of this fringe, I'm going to lightly tuck in. And your stitches are going to go directly across and underneath and back up through. So I'm going to go down into the hole and then come back out and pull up. I'm going to leave these stitches loose so you can see them a little bit better. I'm going to go directly across from where the hole is, stick it down, and then through. And then I'm going to continue the same thing. Down, through. And then down, through. Okay, I think you guys get the idea. So when I pull this, these will disappear. And if you had black thread, it would be even a little bit better. So if any of the thread shows through, you never see it. So I'm gonna keep going along this little section until the hole's closed. Once you have it past where the hole is, I don't want this to pucker. Just push the needle down into the inside of the shirt, bring it back through, and see all of that old fabric that I tucked inside. I can nip that if I want, and then you'll tie this in a nice little knot. Right to the bottom. And then cut with scissors. That's it. Took me about 5 minutes. So hopefully it saves one of your favorite shirts. Let me know if you guys want to see any other stitches. I'd be happy to show you. Have a good day. Bye.